Hello children, welcome you in the chemistry class. I am going to teach you about lamp black or carbon black, or it is soot. Lamp black, carbon black is formed when hydrocarbons, petroleum, turpentine oil, or substance rich in carbon contents are heated in limited supply of oxygen. Their limited supply of oxygen, it means sufficient oxygen is not present. So in the limited supply of oxygen, when lamp black, carbon black, when limited supply of oxygen, hydrocarbon, petroleum, turpentine oil, or any other substance which rich in carbon content are heated, then lamp black or carbon black is formed. It is also known as soot. There is one method has given of preparation of lamp black, and here lamp black is collected and it is used for making the kajal. It is used by the ladies for making the kajal. In an earthen pot, there mustard oil or desi ghee has taken and it is burned. So when this earthen lamp with mustard oil or desi ghee is burned and a clean plate is inverted just above the flame of it, so this is the plate and this one is the earthen lamp. In this mustard oil has taken, instead of mustard oil we can take desi ghee also. When it is burned, then black particles are going to deposit in the plate, and this black particles which are deposited, that is the lamp black, or it is known as carbon black, or it is soot, and it is used for making kajal. Other is, children, you have to know what is the use of lamp black. So lamp black is soft black powder. It is used as a pigment in black ink, black boot polish. So for making the preparing the black ink or black boot polish, in that lamp black is used. Lamp black is also used for making carbon paper and black paint. Lamp black is used as a filler in the manufacture of tire to increase the durability of the tire. So when lamp black is used, then tire becomes more durable, life of the tire increase. Now there is one more amorphous form of the carbon, that is called coke. So coke is a pure form of carbon. Coke is produced when coal is heated in the absence of air. So heating of coal in the absence of air strongly is called destructive distillation of coal. Destructive distillation of coal means heating strongly in the absence of air. Coal is heated strongly in the absence of air, then the solid substance which left, that is called coke. Coke is very useful. It is used as a fuel for making other gaseous fuel like water gas and producer gas. It is used in various metallurgy operation in the extraction of metal by the process of reduction. It is used for making electrode. So electrode is used for passing the electric current through electrolytes. There are some more allotropic forms use of the carbon. A coke is used as a fuel. Coke and charcoal both are used in the metallurgy for the extraction of metal. Charcoal is used for the filtering the water because charcoal has the capacity to absorb the molecules of toxic substances, foul smell gases, and graphite is also a allotropic form of the carbon. It is used in the nuclear reactor and that is used as a moderator. So this I told the different allotropic forms of the carbon.